Welcome, everyone. Today we have this property located in Camelot, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. The North Coast is booming with exciting developments, and Camelot has proven itself to be one of the best areas to invest at the moment. This is a relatively new community overlooking the Caribbean Sea in a gated community neighborhood with 24-hour security. This community offers fair lot sizes and allow owners to expand horizontally and vertically. This could turn into your next dream home. House is already retrofitted with air conditioners and grills along with solar water heater and water storage. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $36,500,000. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Thank you.